It says you're in here twice. What the fuck?
I see young buns.
Oh, I saw young buns and then it changed to liquid and liquid.
Boy. Bean
Oh, there we
Master.
go. Bean Master.
What happened to young buns? My boy Young Buns left us.
Oh, good.
Fuck it.
We can play
Fuck it.
now.
Fuck it. This is probably a horrible time to roll a new character then.
Fuck it.
Just us. Just the two of us.
This room says happy birthday on it.
Alright, I only have 11 bullets.
Better use
bad.
that shit wisely.
It's my main. Oh, that's fucking sick. I have pistol ammo, but my main gun's 11 bullets. Fuck it. YOLO. Oh my god, that is badass. Wow, I completely fucking missed. This is definitely not a character you play by yourself with. Where's Young Buns when you need him? What a boss fucking gun. I'm gonna start running that way. See if I can pick up some ammo. Oh god, we got something else. Good. Blessed up.
You know who DJ Khaled is, right?
Yeah.
You ever like see his shit on Twitter and Snapchat and Instagram?
I don't follow him on any
Like
of those.
he's got all these weird hashtags. It's like he's got this cult following of people that just think his hashtags are like hilarious and shit.
He is hilarious.
It's just like he's so he's weird. Yeah, ridiculous. That's a good word for it.
Look up DJ Khaled EXE as in, like executable. Yeah, yeah, EXE like executable.
Yeah.
On YouTube.
Okay.
The guy's channel, I can't pronounce it, but his shit is so funny, dude. He does like reaction
I think I might
videos.
have seen it.
He
Yeah,
does like
but
He does reaction videos, just shit, and he's just like the stuff he says is so hilarious because he makes a point. Like,
yeah. Oh, I think I do know who that guy is.
his name's like Ethan or something like that, but his name is, the channel name is really weird. But yeah, my cousin introduced me to that video, and actually that channel, and I watch it all the time. Oh man. Oh my god.
Rape train.
Yeah. This is incredible. Wow. Yeah, let me just throw fucking money at those characters. Fucking enemies. Down slide.
Money.
I gotta quit throwing my money.
How do you throw money?
B. It's right next to V. So I
Remap
panic
that
and
button.
I've tried, but everything is useful. Like secondary gun is middle click, and that's actually something I don't want to remap.
I just hit number 2. Get my secondary gun.
Well, no, secondary fire.
Oh.
Like the medic
Oh, like
gun.
full, like single. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. So. We'll probably end up just getting
Damn, there's blood everywhere in this room.
We did this.
Oh, look at that shit on the other
Yeah.
side of the wall.
We fucking did it, bro. That was us.
No, look, dude, over here.
On the
Like
window.
on the other side of the window, that
Oh.
thing, like.
It's like alive. Oh shit! I just saw something scamper.
Damn, son.
I'm switching to my regular pistol. Alright, I'm switching back from my regular pistol. Fuck this.
Good shot.
I missed.
Ooh, there's a ton of them.
Help me. I can't kill her. Okay.
Something good happened? I don't know. I'm cornered. I'm about to get destroyed.
Where are you? I don't see you, bro. Are you still in the same room?
Yeah, I'm back in there now.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I am going to perish. Oh my god.
See that? You're going down.
Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. I can't even catch my breath here.
Two guys.
If I can get a shot on him, I'll kill him. Holy hell.
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked.
Eee.
That's looking nuts. I have C4.
Break time's over. Get back to work. All Zeds
And
inbound.
I don't know how to use it.
Something close is sniffing around here. Can't hear a thing. I'm blooded down.
Let's call
Holy
that your
fuck,
warm-up.
bro. I cannot kill her.
No time. Just picking them off. Reloading.
What is the waste?
Nicely done.
Hey, look at that. I blew him up.
Something bad.
Holla when you see him. Oh,
Oh, I have no grenades. Well, this is gonna go real well.
I got a grenade. I actually have dynamite.
Get this batch out. Nice work. We can reopen the trainer pods.
There he is.
Get him on the we go.
That was the last one. Get to the
Ooh.
indicated pod for
This is a
resupply.
powerful class. I didn't get the killing shot, but I definitely hit him with that C4.
Love to poke around here.
I'll get you sorted.
So, this is where
Not cool.
Send down numbers. There are plenty left.
Oh, come on. I hit nothing? Wow, I just wrecked some fools.
Oh god, this is bad.
Yeah.
I think I detonated something on myself. Or the siren thing got me.
I'm about to die, bro. It was nice knowing you. Throw the fucking grenade. Oh man, I just... You get hit by my, This is curtains.
Keep it up. When you're done, I can reopen the trader.
Wow.
Cover me.
Really should not be alive. I've been walking backwards this whole time.
You're not taking any damage, that guy's keeping you up.
Oh
Oh,
my
wow.
god.
Gear up.
Yeah, he has been healing me a lot. I don't have money for dynamite. We're gonna die this round.
Last chance.
Oh
I have to
man,
power
I
down the
need
pod.
money.
Break time over. Get
Where'd you
back to
bros
work.
go?
Long
Same
way
place.
around.
I don't know how to get
Production.
back.
The sign says production. Just look at the above the doors.
DNA storage. Control. Okay, I think I see. I'm cornered. Alright, I see,
Good start. Now
alright.
finish the job. Allez.
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, me too. My grenades don't seem to be exploding.
Yeah.
Did you die?
No.
I'm out. I'm about to.
I'm
I'm
trying
about
to
to
reload
bite
and help
it.
you.
Ground to a pulp.
Jesus Christ. We're just, we don't have enough people. I'm completely... There's just not enough people.
Finish the last ones off, so I can open the
I mean, it's
trainer
not
pod for you.
supposed to be easy either, so... I'm dead.
Yeah.
That's fucking, I'm really surprised we got that far.
There's a guy that entered the lobby. He's just standing there. The medic guy's running around.
He's level 17. That explains why he kept me alive. How he kept me alive, not why. He's probably using me as a meat shield. It's probably true.
There's only 4 left. He's gonna make it.
Now just float.
I'm gonna go back to the room, pick up all my shit if I do. If we do, we do live.
Careful. Great.
Will it res you where you died?
Nope.
Fuck.
The monster need to take ground. Look.
Heal him to death.
Hurt like hell. Great.
Jesus.
Come on.
He's probably not doing much damage to it. Throw some sand in his face. Keep dropping shit.
Great. Stand in That's just the first.
Oh wow.
Come see me. The pod's safely open. Pod closed. Go make a difference.
Wow. I did not have enough time to buy stuff.
Everyone got enough ammunition?
I didn't like that grenade launcher that much. If it didn't make contact, you were pretty fucked. This fucking, I'm gonna call it a hand cannon, is boss.
We've got demons coming to play.
I didn't have time to buy ammo. Need to kill that screaming lady, Siren.
Oh jeez.
She like negates my attacks. I think we should GTF out of this
There's 2 flesh pounds.
room. Yeah. Well, I'm about to die. I mean, yeah, I'm definitely gonna die. I'm dead. Oh my god. It's too much for me to handle. I was like backing up for one flesh pounder and the other flesh pounder got me. Jesus Christ. Oh, like I got railed by 2 of them. AIDS. AIDS Malik's side. Wow. I don't think that's a good room to hold up in.
Nope.
I didn't even get one flesh pounder down.
Medic guy's almost dead.
Oh my god. You need to get out of that room. Why hasn't he done it? They should give medics like an ability to like revive people.
Just picking them off.
Shock battles or something. Wow. Oh, that guy's getting his like big bucks on there.
I like how the soundtrack is all hardcore metal.
Oh, I don't even have the music on.
It fits the game
Yeah.
perfectly, dude.
I'm listening to dark drum and bass. It's very it's good. It gets me pumped. I gotta see. I get sick. I played a lot, so I wanted something to listen to differently.
Yeah.
But I tried turning on the vocals because you can do that in options, but I couldn't concentrate on the game because I was listening to the music.
Oh, the music's vocals?
Yeah.
I didn't know you could do that.
Yeah, you can turn them on, dude. It's pretty cool. But I just couldn't concentrate playing. I was like, wow, that
Give me a
sucks.
day, I could market this, make a packet.
It's cool though, man.
Sod off!
I just got D&D
Check it out.
on.
I can't believe they survived.
Me neither. Big room. So they basically killed 2 flesh pounders. I think one of the guys did it. Yeah, that's definitely the best room. Even though we died, you know, it was...
Spend wisely.
Wow,
You've got a
alright.
real fight
I'm gonna
ahead.
not go for my old weapons. That's why I screwed up, because I wasted too much time.
This is what happens with nerds.
DNA storage. Oh.
Follow Hick.
Back to it, mes amis.
How's everyone?
Oh my god. It went to a
You have been
cutscene.
killing my test subjects. That is annoying. You will die now. You are just
Is this Hydra? Is that what it's called?
DNA.
The guy from Hydra.
Wish I understood this stuff better.
Jesus, the room is just painted in blood.
Yes, you.
Unbelievable.
And I need to be impressed. Then will you call
Are you up there? Oh, I'm not going up there. Fuck that. Fuck that.
Take this bloody thing down!
Oh, come on. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Invulnerable? He's got me. Oh my god. I gotta heal up.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, he
going.
went ape shit on me.
I think later on, in the commando tree, I think you just naturally get it. You get more health.
I've got your back.
Well, how much? What's your max health now?
I have no idea.
You don't know? I think mine's
haven't
125
Paid
or
that
something
much
like that.
attention. Yeah, I think mine's it's over 100, but
You're my
You better not pick me again. Here goes enrage. Better heal up. Better blast myself with piss. Oh man. There's one shot left. Rage. I don't see him.
Things fixing itself up.
Oh, I missed twice. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. That's it, I'm dead. .41 health.
Perhaps some grenades will finish you. Stand and embrace your death.
That's it. What the fuck is he on me?
It's the spot.
He's got like infinite health this time.
Yep, got another guy.
Is this the healer?
No.
Nice.
Healer's still up.
Why isn't he going down? He died faster last time.
I don't know. Can you see his power bar? You probably can't.
No.
There he
Did I
goes.
just die? Did I die?
Oh, dude, I leveled up. Haha.
Damn. Dude, I have like, wow. That was intense. That was very intense. Let's see what I got. Head popper, 101. Yeah, this class is pretty fun. I leveled to 1.
Yeah.
Alright, back out.
Yeah.
How do I back out? Escape.
Hit escape and then go to exit and exit the title screen.
This shit, man.